We are renovating this 20 years old 3 BHK apartment with structural remodeling, Vastu Correction and interior design that is located in JP Nagar, Bangalore. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth and I am going to take you through this ongoing 3 BHK apartment renovation. It had a small kitchen in the northeast direction, three large bedrooms, a spacious living area, and outdated interiors and bathrooms. So, we are renovating this old apartment into a modern apartment. As per the principles of Vastu, the kitchen should not be in northeast direction. It should be in southeast direction. So, we are remodeling one of the bedroom that is located in southeast direction to a spacious kitchen with utility area. And we are converting this existing kitchen into a guest bedroom. The scope of works extends to complete floor renovation, bathroom remodeling, and interior design that includes fully functional modular kitchen, utility area, wardrobes in the bedrooms. At present, we are in the civil renovation stage. We have completed the demolition of floor, old wardrobes, and bathrooms, etc. And created the door opening for the new kitchen from dining area. Earlier, the bathrooms had floor mounted commode. We are remodeling it so it can accommodate the wall mounted commode. Tropical design theme is chosen for bathroom designs with upgraded shower fittings. The modular kitchen will be complete with a fully customized base unit, meticulously designed cabinets to accommodate microwave, mixers, and kitchen appliances, a high volume lofts to accommodate rarely used kitchen items. A special note on utility area design. People often do this mistake when designing the utility area, especially the entrance. It will be kept in the corner, thereby making the space planning uncomfortable. Here, we kept the utility entrance in the center. On one side, we accommodate washing machine and dishwasher, and the other side accommodates the large utility sink. In the master bedroom, hinged door wardrobes are designed on the southwest wall. The kids' bedroom design includes wardrobe, so, this was about this 3 BHK apartment renovation. For home renovation, interior design, and architectural construction in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on old home renovation, interior design, and architectural construction, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.